Hey guys, it's Dave here from DSJ Homestead. Today we are unboxing the Cub Cadet Wood Chipper. It finally came in. So right after the jump, but if you like this type of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, share it out there to all your friends, and get your hands dirty and let's make something.
Hello friends and welcome back to DSJ Homestead. Today we are unboxing this brand new Cub Cadet Chipper shredder. We got a lot of brush trees that we need to take down, so I ordered a new chipper shredder to deal with the branches and such. So let's see what we get. Here we are. All right, so inside here we've got the mulch catching bag. We have the chipper shredder itself. It's got a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. It is a Briggs & Stratton XR Professional 250 cc's. It has 7 horsepower. Comes with safety glasses. Your 4-cycle engine oil. Means it runs on straight gas. A couple of cotter pins, so we're going to leave that stuff in the bag, see where it goes. Warranty information, and the operator's manual for the engine, the operator's manual for the chipper shredder. So let's see. This pulls up. This folds down like so. This bar comes out like so. So there's your chute. This is for your branches. You've got a chute here to put your yard waste, like your leaves and such like that, to chop it. This is the tow hitch. The tow hitch sits in right here, like so. So we'll get this thing juiced up and move it in position, and we'll do a quick use of it.
Okay, quick aside, do not buy this stupid gas can. I own one. I bought it by mistake. I needed a new one. I shouldn't have bought this. This thing is stupid. I spill gas every time I try to use it. Don't buy it. I don't know who designed this nozzle. Must have been done by committee, but it is dumb.
Alright, so we're going to try to start this thing. I've put oil in it, I put gas in it out of my government approved gas can. Whoever designed that was a moron. Don't get me started on those, because I always spill gas. I think everybody always spills their gas. So anyway, so it's got oil, it's got gas. So now we are going to put it onto full choke. And then we are going to put the throttle to rabbit, which it is. We're going to pull the starter 1 to 3 times. All right, folks, let's see what we got. Now, I was kind of leery about this bag when I saw what it came with because I was worried about it. But we saw how much wood we put in there. This is what we got left. Let's take this over here. I've got some area where I'm mulching, so I'll just add this to my mulch. So, out of all those sticks that we just had in there, this is what we got left.
Wow, that did a nice job.
So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the Homestead. Bye, y'all.